that solves a problem, fulfills a need, or offers something the market wants. That is why people start their own business, to create their product and then make money from it. Just like Bill Gates created Windows. Now let's say that you want to start your own business. Online business. You want to do this because it is exhilarating to know that you will be your boss, you will have all the freedom in the world to make your own decisions. Control your schedule and perhaps make a lot more money. All of this is exhilarating, right? But then, you never begin the process. Why? Because you just found out that product creation is too exhausting. Perhaps even terrifying. The whole process, from researching, writing, designing, and packaging, can be a nightmare, and by the time you finish it, your product is outdated. Thus, you've wasted your time and your money. Yes, creating information products can be one of the most rewarding businesses that you will ever get into. We know because we've spent the last 3 years helping a lot of top marketers in the business turn their ideas into products that changed lives and generated healthy profits. Maybe you're dreaming of creating your first ebook, or maybe you're far enough along that you want to create your 50th ebook or a live webinar event. Whether you've never put your ideas to paper or if you've gotten your feet wet already, I'm sure you've asked yourself, how do I turn my dreams into a product that I can sell? How do I stand out from all the other competitors out there? How can I get this done without bleeding my bank account dry? What every person in the personal, professional improvement industry has to know, or figures out the hard way, is that the answers to these questions can determine how fast you grow your business, or whether you stay in business at all. If you would like to know more, please click the link below.